So welcome aboard Google Cloud again. Let's continue the previous lab where we're creating a virtual machine. So right here we're going to SSH the virtual machine. So come in here, let's give an authorize. Let's do an apt-get update. We're going to install Git. Maximize this. Now we're going to install Python. Check the command line. Installing Python. Yes. Once the Python starts, going to install pip. It's taking a while. Good. Let's install pip. Install it. Download. Now we're going to install it. Versus just downloading it. Now installing pip. So everything I'd like to share in this lab, this video. See you in the next video.